Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Google Photos and picking the right image. Choose a portrait or any photo with depth information because the app uses depth maps to create the 3D effect. Once done, make sure backups are on so Google can access full data for processing. This speeds up rendering. If your image lacks depth, you can still try with a subject and background separation, but expect less realistic parallax. Now tap the image to continue to the next step. You'll now apply the 3D motion effect. Tap the three-dot menu or swipe up to open Edit, then choose Motion or 3D Photo. Google analyzes depth and synthesizes a moving background. As you apply it, adjust strength and crop so the subject sits well inside the frame. Lower strength for subtle parallax, increase for dramatic depth. Make sure to preview on both portrait and landscape. Different crops change how occlusion and edges look, so tweak until the motion feels natural. Finish by saving a copy. You can export the moving result as a motion photo, video, or GIF for sharing. If you see weird halos or cutouts, recrop tighter around the subject, reduce depth strength, then save again. That often fixes edge artifacts. Make sure the app is updated. If problems persist, clear cache or reinstall, and try re-uploading the original image. Finally, check on another device or desktop photos to confirm whether the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.